I work 4 times faster now. Well, that's quite a bold statement, but hear me out. What if I told you I haven't typed a single thing in the past 7 days and somehow I got more work done? Sounds insane, right? But this AI tool literally changed how I work. And honestly, I don't think I'm ever gonna go back. Just think of this for a moment. How many hours do you daily waste while typing emails, paragraphs of essays, your class notes, or even just replying to messages? What if you could do all of that just by talking? The app behind this madness is called Wispr Flow, and this one actually replaced my keyboard. Let me show you how I've been working 4 times faster using just my voice. My name is Prithviraj and I create videos on productivity, tech, and life. Wispr Flow is a voice-driven dictation app available on iPhone, Windows, and Mac OS. This app simply runs on your background, and you can use this one to dictate text anywhere. Emails, notes, or even WhatsApp or iMessage. It works everywhere. It also has this awareness mode feature where it will understand the type of conversation you're having. More on that later. Using this app is very simple. On Mac OS, we can simply hold the function key to talk and release it once it's done. It will automatically convert whatever you just said into perfectly formatted text. And that too, adding all the necessary punctuations and also fixing your grammar as it goes. The function key wasn't really comfortable for me, so I changed the key binding to the right option key instead. You can add any button combination you're comfortable with. And also it's very simple to set up on the iPhone as well. Simply grant the permission to use your microphone and then you will be asked to enable Wispr Flow from the keyboard settings segment. Once that's done, you're good to go. Simply open any app, press the mic button, and as you can see, it will automatically type out everything you just said. And that too with proper punctuations. Typos will be a thing of the past with this app, that's for sure. And here's the part that blew my mind. Wispr even removed my ums and ahs, so if you often fumble or maybe think while talking, then yeah, this will surely feel like magic. I want to make a video at something about the best productivity apps out there. So suggest me certain apps that can help me for the same. And it also learns new words as you go. For example, I was working on a script where I had taken the reference of the F1 racer, Max Verstappen, and of course it didn't type out Verstappen right, but once I fixed the spelling, it automatically saved it into the dictionary. This feature is definitely a game changer. You can save and add your naturally used words in the dictionary and it will nail that the next time you say so. It also supports over 100 languages, so you can dictate in whichever language you're comfortable with and it will type it out for you. Personally, this app has really helped me speed up my scripting process. I don't really have to rely on my super slow typing speed anymore to get my work done fast. And speaking about fast, can you quickly consider hitting that subscribe button? And I'll keep bringing you videos on more such helpful apps. Wispr Flow's biggest strength is the natural speak recognition. You can talk like a natural person, slangs and everything, and it will understand.
Let's meet tomorrow. Actually, let's meet on Friday.
And Wispr immediately cleaned that up into one smooth sentence. That's quite handy, right? Now for the real world test, how useful is it for day-to-day usage? Wispr Flow really shines where you normally have to type a lot. The Wispr AI also has this context awareness feature like I previously mentioned at the start. It exactly knows who you are messaging. As in, if you're using it on WhatsApp or iMessage, things would be more casual and it won't focus on proper punctuations and stuff like that. But if you're using it for typing your email, however, it will help you draft with proper punctuations and grammar check. There's different formatting to account for the type of content being written. This is what separates Wispr Flow from the rest. It exactly knows how to set the tone of your conversation. If you're a student, 2 obvious use cases are note-taking and essay writing. In a lecture, you can speak your main points aloud and it is gonna create a clean outline of all the key ideas. For an essay draft, I simply narrated paragraphs and Wispr wrote them out clearly, handling my mid-sentence edits on the fly. It was a huge time saver. And I'll be honest, it felt a bit weird talking to a computer at first, but then it worked out really great once I got used to it. And to make things interesting, Wispr AI also provides us with a word count of how many words you have dictated in total using this app. For example, as of filming this video, I have dictated over 7,000 words in this app over the past week and my average speed has been 143 words per minute. Not bad, but I can definitely improve that more. Overall, Wispr Flow lets you power through writing tasks just by using your voice. It's like having a super speedy assistant typing exactly what you see. I'm so used to this right now that all of a sudden the right option key is probably the only button I touch on my keyboard nowadays, except while playing games, of course. WASD for the win. Let's talk about how this exactly works for a moment. Flow's effectiveness comes from the modern AI. Your voice is being sent to the cloud servers and then processed by a language model. That's why the output is so polished. The AI will add all the punctuations, fix your grammar, and even adjust the tone as it transcribes. In my test, it was very fast. Say a sentence and within a second, the corrected text appears. Wispr even claims the iOS app works with poor internet. While Wispr Flow was accurate, but this one isn't really lightweight, as in you'll have to keep Flow running on the background for it to work out instantly. So that's something you should keep in mind. We have a live widget for Flow on the iPhone, so you can easily toggle it off even from your lock screen if you wanted to. But how does Wispr Flow stack up against the other AI tools? Otter AI is one big name. It specializes in meeting transcription with speaker ID and summaries. That's actually great for lectures and Zoom calls. But Otter isn't really an always-on typing tool. You have to record the meeting and then use its interface to get the text. In short, Otter AI is like a meeting note taker, and Wispr Flow is the voice keyboard for your entire system. Each tool has its niche, and Flow's niche is real-time dictation across any app, which is pretty unique in the AI space, I have to say. Honestly, Wispr Flow felt like a glimpse of future of writing. It's pretty cool to think that we might talk more and type less one day. And after a week of using this one, I am pretty impressed myself. It really did speed up my writing. Whole emails and notes appear faster than I could ever type them. And the AI cleanup for punctuations, fixing my etc. was spot on. The downside, however, it uses more CPU and RAM than a simple voice recorder. And the free tier only supports 2000 words per week, and you can hit that quite easily. I probably won't be using this for quick one-liners, but for essays, reports, or any other heavy writing, this one is a game changer, especially if you loathe typing. Seriously, it feels like turning thoughts into text with your voice, a neat trick. So here's a screenshot of their pricing in US dollars. But for what it costs, it's definitely worth it, and it will make your life so much easier. If this sounds useful to you, check out Wispr Flow's free tier, give it a try, and see if it fits your workflow. I'll be leaving its link in the description box below the like button, so please check that out. And also, if you found this video helpful, then you will enjoy this video right here. Over there, I have discussed the 5 best productivity apps you should be using in 2025. See you there.